Alrighty, we got a Cannondale here, and we're gonna put some new tires, tubes, and brake pads on this. It is kind of corroded right here, and it's deteriorating, so the bead can possibly rip off from the tire, which is a safety issue. There's also another one right here, so it's pretty bad. This is why you gotta check your tires. If your bead is ripping off of your tire, you need to replace your tire. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm also replacing the brake pads because the brake pads are very old. As you can see, they're just really hard. The rubber is deteriorated. Starting to be some cracks forming on the brake pads. So we got some new brake pads here. I'm using Surface brake pads. Good brand. Surface is a good brand. Surface brake pads. The tires I'm going to be installing on this bicycle is Continental Tour Ride. These are very good puncture resistant tires. They're not the best, but they are very well. I'd give them like an 8 out of 10. They have a multi-tread. This is a 700 by 28C.